So here we are. This is too funny. The looks I'm getting from some people is really hilarious. So anyway, well, I'm getting some fun interactions here. Please, go ahead, go ahead. Sorry. Oh yes, here we go. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Muy amable. Okay, muy amable. Muy amable. Ah, sí. Gracias por las palabras. Tan lindo. Ah, sí. Qué bien. Que Dios te perdona. Okay. Gracias.
Are you being an agitator?
No. At least you're not burning the American flag, so I appreciate it.
I don't have one to burn, that's why.
Oh, I should have. Next time I'll bring one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay.
Okay.
All right. God bless you.
No, God bless
Tú eres un
you.
hispano arrepentido, ¿verdad?
Okay. Okay. Gracias. Qué lindas palabras. Qué linda hablas.
Tu madre.
Yeah. Ciao. Oh man, that's great. That's hilarious. Hey, what's up? So anyway, I don't think she realized I could speak Spanish, so that's what makes it even more fun. But anyway, here we are.